controllable RGB lights, handy and mobile, environmental noise cancelling feature. Hi everyone, it's Rye, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Maono Gamerwave USB microphone, and of course a quick look at what to expect from the specs. Now let's go straight to the unboxing, but before that, Maono, which means vision in Kiswahili, is the world's best-selling internet microphone brand whose products are sold well in 153 countries around the world. And I have been a Maono user myself, so you can see that on the previous videos in this channel checking out the other Maono products. Now let's go straight to our unboxing. The product comes enclosed in a protective box which is simple and sturdy, featuring the Maono logo right there. Upon opening the box, you will find the product along with an accessory box in yellow gold color featuring the label and Maono logo. Inside the accessory box, you will find the user manual, a USB-A or USB-C to a USB-C cord. The inclusion of the USB-C cord is particularly useful for devices that only have USB-C ports, such as Macs, as it eliminates the need for an adapter. Additionally, the accessory box contains a hinge joint adapter which you can use when you attach the mic to a boom. Now let's go to the product itself, the Maono Gamerwave USB microphone. And we have here the black variant. It is also available in two other colors such as white and pink. This microphone comes with a built-in pop filter that improves sound quality by eliminating annoying pops. It also includes a shock mount that prevents movement from affecting the audio. These two features are typically sold separately and not included when you buy a regular microphone. The microphone comes with a sturdy desktop stand that is attached with a fastener for ease of use. There's no need for additional accessories, so you can use it right away. You can plug your earphone into the 3.5mm jack to monitor sound with no delays. The USB-C port is used to connect the mic to our device. The bottom of the device features an adjustable gain knob for easy volume control. The microphone has an RGB light control button that allows you to change the way the microphone capsule lights up. In the gaming world, RGB is a must-have. So it's great that this microphone has controls for it. You can now choose your mood. You can do so by pressing the button for a second, or even turn it off by pressing it for 2 seconds. The microphone is also a cardioid condenser mic that works best when positioned vertically and spoken into from the front. And now we will check and do a mic test of the microphone. Sound check. So this is how the Maono Gamerwave USB microphone sounds like when the environmental noise cancellation is turned off. So sound check. This is just the sound without it on. So let's try turning it on, the ENC on. So we have to press the button here for 2 seconds, and there you go, it's on right now. So this is how it sounds with the ENC turned on. So sound check. Now tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the sound. What's the difference between the two? So put it on the comment section below. Now let's get back to the main video. You can easily unmute the microphone by pressing the mute button for a second, and activate and deactivate the noise cancellation feature by pressing the noise cancellation button for 2 seconds. All controls are within reach and easy to use. Now for those who wants to know about the tech specs of this microphone, here is a quick look at it. Now take a screenshot. This microphone is priced at 1,899 pesos, or roughly $35 US. Now you can find that on online stores, and by the way, links of it on the description down below. This product is perfect for those who want a good sounding and pleasing to the eye RGB gaming microphone with easy access to controls, a built-in monitoring system, noise cancellation features, and is portable and handy. And by the way, this is made by a trusted audio brand for microphones, which is Maono. What are the things that I missed? What are the things that you want to add? What do you think about the Maono Gamerwave USB microphone? Comment down below. By the way, you can find links to purchase the products as well as information on all its other amazing features in the description section of this video. So be sure to check it out. Now that's it. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Rye for RyeTech. This is the Maono Gamerwave USB microphone. See you on the next video. Bye.